Hello, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz and this is my activity 8 from Effective Presentations Workshop. The idea was to choose my ideal holidays, and my ideal holiday is to go to Disney World in Orlando, Florida, because I've never been there and I would love to go. Here you can see the castle. Before it was white and blue, and now they have painted it in pink, blue, and some parts in gold. And well, here's some music for my presentation. And then the things to do. First, they have some restaurants where you can have dinner or any meal. It's Chef Mickey, Garden Grill Restaurant, Tusker House Restaurant, Wonderland Tea Party, and Be Our Guest Restaurant. The last one is from the Beauty and the Beast, and they say it's awesome. I would love to go there. And then the activities that they have are attractions and entertainment. You know, in every park they have games, attractions. You can have an experience with characters, you know, like talk with princesses or Goofy, Mickey, I don't know. They have events and tours, shops where you can buy anything you like from Disney, of course. They have a spa, a gym, and sports and recreation. Then the destinies, they have 4 parks, which are Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom. And then there's Disney Springs, which is like a mall where you can buy a lot of stuff from Disney and then you can eat there. And then they have ESPN Wide World of Sports. They have had a lot of events there. And then maps and transport. They have a map of every park, and then you can transport from hotel to park or from park to park by bus, monorail, skyliner, ferry, and aquatic taxi. And then I put a chart with the time that they recommend you to spend in each park. First, we have 2 days for Magic Kingdom, 1 day for Epcot, 2 days for Disney Hollywood Studios, and 1 day for Animal Kingdom, and then 1 day for Disney Springs, because they think it's like a lost day if you first go to Disney Springs and then you want to go to a park because you're not going to have enough time to go to every attraction. And well, here I have a link of a video with the new things that they have for Disney World in Orlando, Florida. So well, I would love to go there. Those are my ideal holiday. I hope I can achieve that one day. And well, thanks for watching.